I'm off the gas. I'm keeping space. I'm at about 60. Max truck speed is 65. Truckers go 70, 75. I see some up to 100 miles an hour. I'm squeezing my brakes. I don't want to lose my following distance. I can see to the left. You're going to see cars in the left lane really picking up, going fast, speeding to nowhere. Okay, we're going to show you what the left lane feels like. I'm going to get over. I'm already at 70. I'm at 75. I'm at 80. Speed never lies. I'm holding 80. If you're about 80, you're passing most cars. And once you start speeding, other people start speeding. If I did 100, which I'm not going to, cars would start doing about 95 to 100.